A briefing on the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation meetings was recently held for Cebu media and information officers at the Cebu provincial capital. More than 100 members of Cebu Squad Media, editors and reporters, along with local and national government information officers, attended the briefing to learn more about APEC 2015.
APEC is the premier Asia-Pacific Economic Forum. Primary goal is to support sustainable economic growth and prosperity in the Asia-Pacific region.
The reporters were also made to understand the nature of the meetings that will take place in Cebu.
When I talk to journalists, I ask them, do you have training in economics? And they said, ma'am, wala po. Okay, I said, you'll have a hard time covering APEC. Because to be a journalist, if I may be so frank, if you want to cover APEC, you must have some semblance of understanding of international trade law. That's why later on, the journalists focus on the clothes of the leaders because that's the one that they understand.
Movements and issuance of news releases as well as other services from the organizing committee for newsmen covering the event were also discussed.
Once you apply online, you will receive one confirmation letter. Once na-receive na po yun, mag-i-issue po kami ng releasing date.
Cebu Vice Governor Agnes Magpale and Philippine Information Agency Director General Jose Marie Oqueniena called on Cebuanos to be proud and be ready with good stories during the APEC meeting.
It is in every Cebuano's heart. That pride of place is in every Cebuano's heart. The biggest challenge is this hosting of some of the meetings, APEC meetings.
I hope we will not interpret APEC in terms of our experience and emotions. We will cover APEC in terms of how it will impact the pride of the Philippines and the possibility it will bring the Philippines.
The activity was in line with a series of briefings done by local organizers of APEC 2015. More than 3,000 delegates from APEC member economies are expected to be in the province for the meeting. From the Philippine Information Agency, for Liza Asicor Batista, ICU.